Every once in a while, a local obituary catches our attention. And when Red McDonald of West Fargo died a week ago at the age of 75, we knew we had to tell his story. Born Ronald McDonald, he loved service to his country, his family, golf, and hockey. After all, he was born in Canada. And as WDAY News reporter Kevin Wallivan tells us tonight, Red, as his friends and family called him, lived to golf. And that is where he spent his final minutes.
So he was very proud of that.
When Red McDonald joined the Navy in 1969, he was just 19.
He was very proud of his service time, yeah.
A Canadian citizen sent to Vietnam, serving the U.S.
Conserver.
That's what he was on?
Yep,
Wow.
This was his ship.
I've always called him my hero, my veteran hero.
He would return home to North Dakota, and wouldn't you know it,
He was dragging Maine in his new Nova he got after he got out of the service. So
he caught the eye of Elaine, his future wife.
this was a blue with a black top, big wide tires, shift on the floor.
While his name was Ronald McDonald, everyone knew him, but everyone calls him
Red.
That nickname Red was necessary. The family withstood all kinds of prank telephone calls and practical jokes with the name Ronald McDonald in the phone book.
Oh yeah, people would call in and ask for a cheeseburger or Happy Meal, and it'd just be joking around with them.
Even Christmas got tricky.
Grandma sent us Christmas gifts in the mail one day, and they didn't come to ours. It said the McDonald's on it. It went to the McDonald's restaurant, and they opened it up and said, "Hey, there's a bunch of gifts in here with names."
But Red's love was hockey and the links.
He would come home from golfing, and he would always comment. He goes, "Well, I golfed my age today."
He loved the game of golf.
Well, he was very friendly, loved to visit, and he took his golf game very serious.
But here at West Funeral Home in West Fargo, as the family pored over pictures and told stories.
And then this was the one when I was talking about Border Classics. So this is the one where you hit in Canada and it lands an hour later in the U.S.
There was no preparing for life without Red.
I guess he was in the honor guard for the VFW, so he was very proud of that.
But as Moorhead's Village Green was preparing to wrap up the summer golf season, Red came out here for one last round of golf. But he suffered a heart attack and died here at the golf course. His final round.
Started CPR and called 911, and they just weren't able to bring him back or anything like that. So that's what the kids and the grandkids and I have been trying to tell ourselves, is that Dad was doing something that he truly loved.
Family all weighed in. If you're going to go suddenly, your happy place is the place.
I'm glad he went the way he did. Good for him, not good for us. Very happy that he was doing what he did, especially with his friend Luther. They've been golfing with buddies since '85.
When friends and family gather for Red's funeral tomorrow, they will celebrate this man who served his country, loved his family, and time on the golf course. One reason that everyone coming to the reception following Red's funeral is being asked to bring their favorite golf club.
I know when he left, he went to go play those fairways in the sky.
Kevin Wallivan, WDAY News.